So getting ready to get out of Austin, and of course it's always nice when you can stay at a nice place and it's not too far away from the breakfast spot, which is a fine dining area for some of you. Some of you may have a different opinion about these kinds of places, but yes, there it is, Waffle House. All right, time to get out of Austin and make it on down to Albuquerque. And thanks for hosting us here at Atlantic. Had a great time. Short time, but good time, despite the Alabama fans.
And so we're going to get out of here from our location, and we are to go Kilo Bravo to 18 left. So this is typically what the panel looks like as we're flying along.
Abilene approach, this is Cherokee 454 Mike Delta at 7,500.
Cherokee 454 Mike Delta, Abilene approach, Abilene altimeter 3000.
Neil steam gauges here.
Cherokee 454
Still have the 6-pack, but we've got all of the 6-pack is replicated in this Aspen Pro Max. The turn and bank is here. The VSI is here. Altitude, airspeed, and the HSI portion. And then in the center console, we got the navigators, the GNS 530 WASP, the 430 non-WASP, and it shows the distance, the fuel flow, speed, and other stuff like that. And then the more strategic view is held by this 696. That's in the center panel as well.
Departure Envoy 3723, heading 020,
and that shows weather.
For 5,000.
Envoy 3723, Atlanta departure radar contact, climb maintain 12000, turn right direct Ninja.
12000, right direction Ninja, Envoy 3723.
There's the shading, definitely a must-have, along with the engine monitor. And then the old-style engine monitors are there. Mercedes-Benz type. And then the other critical instrumentation is that strike finder. If you're going to fly in weather, you got to have a strike finder. It's a poor man's radar. It gives you real-time information, unlike what you get from the satellites. Must have.
Run it left side, I would think. No, he's going to swing it right side. Catch made, getting out of bounds after the grab, Ja'Cory Brooks, and that will set up a 4th down. I thought they were going to run it left, get it in the middle of the field.
And try to help him out, but Texas was showing blitz from the field. Bryce saw that, and I think wisely just jumped to the right, try to pick up a couple more extra yards instead of running right into a blitz. Who knows what can happen, but we got Will Riker coming up.
You know, this could be a good day after all. Flying to Albuquerque and Texas is beating Alabama. Hook 'em horns.
7 Charlie Juliet, contact for center 132.902.
Texas, I believe, before the snap. Riker got it.
Go ahead.
Timeout used by the Horns right here. That's their second. They will have one more left if they...
0 Alpha Bravo, let me check.
What would be one score?
Okay, let me call.
List active.
0 Alpha Bravo, the TSR canceled, you're good to go.
Still got a bit of weather around, especially this heading up there. And I may have to work my way around that. But this could wind up being a very good day. Actually, I'm enjoying myself and certainly enjoying listening to the game.
Quarterback blitz from Texas. Bryce is able to pull it down somehow. Field goal range.
5506, unfortunately I can't give you all the next, but I can give you deviations for Ziggy, and then when I get down to Albuquerque.
At Albuquerque Center, Twin Cessna 69846, a little bit like 10,000.
Number 69846, Albuquerque Center, roger. Change my frequency, please, 132.65.
13265, 69846. We're approaching Albuquerque.
Leader 1 Albuquerque, Center Roger. Raptor 101, contact Albuquerque, Center 125.07.
Look at the haze. There's a lot of haze in the area, so the clouds are gone.
American 979, contact Albuquerque, Center on 134.75, 3475, good day. Southwest 1294, contact Albuquerque, Center 133.65, good day. Bearing 339, contact Albuquerque, Center on 133.65.
So the haze is what makes it
1927, contact Albuquerque, Center
pretty much
134.75, good day.
It's hard to see the horizon. I mean, you can pick it out a little bit, but
United 2369, contact
really hard to
Albuquerque,
see the
Center
horizon out
125.07.
2507, United 2369, good night.
Yes.
Albuquerque, join Cessna 69846, level at 10,000.
Albuquerque, Cessna 1979-370.
I guess they didn't hear me. Albuquerque, join Cessna 69846, level at 10,000.
November 69846, Albuquerque Center, Roger. Albuquerque altimeter 3014.
3014. When we say there is nothing out here, this is the western part of Texas.
55, descend and pause discussion, maintain 15,000, Albuquerque altimeter 3014.
There is nothing.
Descend and pause discussion, maintain 15,000, and we'll start downstairs, 5255.
No houses, no farms, nothing. And while there is not a lot going on, there are some wind farms around.
Raptor 101, descend and maintain 11,000, San Jose Airport, 12 o'clock, 20 miles.
Down to 11,000, look for the airport, 101.
One of the other neat things about flying this route from Austin on in is that as you're at 10,000 feet, the ground is slowly coming up to meet you. Albuquerque is at 5,000 feet, so yeah, we're going to be flying at just 5,000 feet when we get there. Well, we'll be at 10, but 5,000 feet above the ground.
Albuquerque Center, good afternoon. Drum 9 for Charlie Lima, level 13000.
94 Charlie Lima, Albuquerque Center, Roger. And Las Vegas altimeter 3029.
3029 from 9 for Charlie Lima.
We're here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, just landed. We're going to be serviced by Atlantic FBO, and you can see the clouds in the background as well as the mountain range, 10 to 12,000 feet out there. So it was a lovely trip overall, had a good time, a lot of work, as in the autopilot doesn't work, of course, but hey, 310 did just fine. Came through a lot of rain, and of course it started to wash the plane a bit, but what it does show is the airflow, which is kind of neat.